Hey everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks Pro. Today, we're diving into a growing concern that could hit your wallet hard. Why EV insurance costs are skyrocketing and might soon become unaffordable for many drivers. If you're considering buying an electric vehicle or already own one, this is a must-watch. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss helpful insights like this. Part 1. The problem with EV insurance. So here's the deal. EVs might be the future, but when it comes to insurance, they're creating big problems for the industry, and drivers are paying the price. Insurance companies are finding it extremely difficult to assess the damage after an EV is involved in an accident. The reason? It all comes down to the battery. Unlike gas-powered cars, where diagnostics can quickly pinpoint damage to a specific part, electric vehicles have massive battery packs made up of thousands of cells, and it's nearly impossible to tell if even one of those cells is damaged after a crash. Part 2. Why this matters. This uncertainty means insurers are playing it safe. Too safe. Rather than risk putting a potentially dangerous car back on the road, they're often writing off entire vehicles and even after minor accidents, and that's driving insurance premiums through the roof. Part 3. What the experts say. According to Thatcham Research, a leading automotive research centre in the UK, EVs cost about 25% more to repair than petrol or diesel cars. And some insurance providers are refusing to cover certain electric vehicles altogether because of how hard it is to evaluate battery damage. Some EV owners in the UK have reported insurance quotes of over $1,000 a week, and many are seeing premiums double or triple compared to just a year ago. Part 4. The hidden risks. But it gets worse. Government guidelines now recommend that damaged EVs be quarantined at least 50 feet apart in repair yards, because if the battery is compromised, it could catch fire or even explode. These fires are much harder to put out than regular car fires, and they can reignite days or even weeks later without warning. So insurers aren't just covering the cost of repairs. They're facing the potential cost of total losses, fire damage, and expensive storage precautions. Part 5. What it means for you. With more EVs hitting the road every year, this problem is only going to grow. By 2035, it's estimated that insurers might need to spend an extra $900 million annually just on quarantine facilities for damaged EVs. That could add $20 a year to everyone's insurance, whether you drive electric or not. Part 6. Final thoughts. Look, electric vehicles have a lot of promise, but when it comes to insurance, we're clearly not ready for mass adoption just yet. Until the industry figures out how to safely and affordably assess battery damage, expect EV insurance to stay high and maybe even get worse. Let us know in the comments. Would this make you think twice about buying an EV? Don't forget to check out our other videos on hidden EV costs and how to save on insurance. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.